The GROB Open House in 2024, this year, was a fantastic success for all of us. Under our topic, From Bavaria into the World, we were able to host thousands of customers and give them a very wide range of all of our products with lots of solutions in the different industry, with tailor-made solutions in mold and die, in the aerospace industry, medical, and also adding all the different variations with automation and digitalization. Visitors were able to experience the highest level of precision in our 4 and 5 axle universal machining centers and witness the premiere of our new G920X from the machining sector for the production of extruded profiles. GROB's wide automation solution offered our visitors even more flexibility in production, while additive manufacturing ensured the economically production of near net-shaped aluminum components. The presentations on e-mobility, software solutions from GROB.net for industry, the new and used machining centers, our services and customer training were informative and inspiring to our visitors. The additional exhibitors of 64 partner companies offered our visitors the opportunity to find out about innovative products and services. Exciting tours of the production hall and technology centers gave the visitors an insight into the GROB world at Mindelheim. Interactive presentations and workshops on current industry topics, as well as networking opportunities with industrial colleagues and experts, rounded off our program. Culinary highlights and a cozy get-together in the GROB Beer Garden created a relaxing atmosphere. The GROB Open House in 2024 was a great success, and we are looking forward to see you next year and welcome the world to Bavaria.